Stop. Now please don't scare me.
So Erica caught a big snake today. Hello guys, welcome back to Daily Happenings. How have we been? Hope we've been having so much fun and hope our week has been going great. Alright guys, if you're new to this channel and you've not subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Please hit the red subscribe button below. Also, you can hit the push notification bell on this channel so that you will be the first to get updates as we keep dropping on this channel. Alright, let's get to the business of the day now. The former Big Brother Naija housemate, while she was in a movie set, in a short while I'll be playing the video to you so you see, but while she was in her movie set today, she actually saw a very big snake. Little did we know that she was this afraid to actually catch a snake, but those that were around her actually helped in catching the snake, and she was very reluctant to go close to the snake. Now Ekubo, one of the actors also in the movie scene where she's acting, actually was trying to play with her and just carrying her towards the snake, and it was more like she was resisting that move because she doesn't like snakes. So she, as he was carrying her, she was trying to pull back, she was trying to push back, and unfortunately for him, she had to bite his hand, and it was really funny when she beat his hand, and just to escape seeing the sight of the snake. Believe me, when they placed the snake in the bucket, it was actually very, very big. It was bigger than even me. It was bigger than my expectations, because I thought it was just a normal snake when they were talking about it, and when I saw it, I knew that this was a real big snake. So I'll be sharing the video right now. So if you've not subscribed and you're still thinking about it, maybe you are contemplating on whether to subscribe or not, please hit the red subscribe button. Also hit the push notification button on this channel so that you will be the first to get updates as we keep dropping each and every day. Believe me, each and every one of these is absolutely free. You don't have to pay a dime to subscribe, you don't have to pay a dime to actually hit the push notification bell. Also, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up on this video, share your comments. I love seeing your comments each and every time. It usually motivates me to actually post more, so share your comments. Also share this video to your friends, to your families, and what have you, so that they will see our content too and subscribe. Alright guys, check out the video and bye for now.
Stop. Now please don't scare me.
Actually, Jesus Christ. Come and see the snake. Go and show them the snake. Jesus Christ.